Okay, so let us go to today's arithmetic questions. So question number 1 is a candidate scores 39% of the maximum marks and failed by 58 marks. Okay, so we'll suppose the total maximum marks is 100x. Okay, so candidate scores 39% of the maximum marks means he scored 39x and fails by 58 marks. Okay, so if he would have gained 58%, then he would have passed. So 39x plus 58 is the passing marks. Okay, so passing marks. Okay, now also it is given that a candidate who scores 55% of the maximum marks, so 55x, scores 22 more than the minimum required to pass. So he scores, so if we subtract 22 from him, we'll get maximum passing marks. Okay, so both are passing marks, so just equate them. So on equating them, we'll get 16x equal to 5 to 7, 780. So x equal to 5 we got. Now our question is what is the maximum marks? Maximum marks is 100x, so 500 is the answer to this question. Very easy. Next one, equal sums of money are invested for 2 years at 10% compound interest. One gets interest compounded annually and other half yearly. Find the difference. Very easy question. Okay, so like when it is normally that compounded annually, then in that case amount will be p into 1.1 square, and in the other case when it is for half yearly, so interest will be 10 by 2, 5%, and for 2 years means time period will be 4. Here time period was 2, but here since it is half yearly, so time period will be 4, so total will be p 1.05 to the power 4. Okay, now the question is asking for difference and we have to substitute 5000. So put 5000 and then subtract both. So answer solving, you will get 27.5 as the answer. So second is the answer to this question. Okay, next one, another easy one. P beats Q by 20 meter in 120 meter race. Okay, so P by Q, I've already covered this topic in races, 120 in my races video. Okay, 20 meters, so Q will cover how much? 120 minus 20, 100. Similarly, Q beats R, so Q covers 120, then R will cover how much? 120 minus 24, so this will be 96, right? 9264, absolutely correct. Now question is by what distance will P beat R? So we need the ratio PR. Okay, so P by Q into Q by R. So if we multiply both the equation, we will get that. So 120 into 120 by 100 into 96. Okay, but the question is about 150 meter. Okay, so we'll multiply and divide with 150 meter. Okay, so 100 into 96 divided by 120 into 120. Okay, now from here you have to solve this and you will get very easy one. Okay, so done this much. Next one, each of Atul, Yogesh, Riyaz can complete a piece of work in 12 days. They started the working together, but Atul left after 6 days and Yogesh left 8 days before completion. Very easy question. Okay, very easy. If I say very basic question. Okay, so total work will supposed to be it was 12, 36 and 54. So let's take the LCM of all these three. So total work is 8. So per day work will be how much? 12, 9, 108, 36 into 3, 108, 52, 2, 108. Okay, now it is given that Atul left after working for 6 days. So 6 days he will work how much? 9 into 6 plus Yogesh 8 days before completion. So you say total time is T, so 3T minus 8 plus Riyan will work for complete time, and this is basically equal to total work 108. Okay, now 9, 6, 54, 108, so we'll get 54. Okay, so from here 3T minus 24 plus 2T equal to 54. Okay, now what I can see is this, that here it will be 5, 4 plus 4, 8 in the end, and for this it will be 3 to 5, 5T. Okay, this will be something 8, so it won't be divisible, so we'll be getting a fraction for sure. So from the options, only fourth option is such with a decimal with 5 in the denominator. Okay, so I won't solve further, I will straight away mark 4 and I'll move on. Okay, if you want you can solve. Okay, now the next one is a retail bookseller buys books at 58% of the listed price. Okay, so suppose the marked price is 100, so cost price will be how much? 58x. Cost price I am referring with the one who is selling. Okay, with context of, okay, 100, not x. He expects to earn a minimum of 20% profit. Okay, net profit on selling price. Okay, so profit percent is 20% on selling price. Okay, now what is the maximum discount that he can offer? Okay, so see, the profit is on selling price, which means that 20 by 100 or equal to selling price say x minus cost price 58 upon selling price x. Okay, so upon selling price it is, remember this thing. So this will be, this will go this will be 0.2x equal to x minus 58. So x will be how much? 58 upon 0.8. Okay, so just solve this. 58 by 0.8 will get 72.5. Okay, so this is the selling price which he can offer. Okay, so that will be how much? That will basically be 100 minus 72.5. So if we subtract 100 from this, we'll get 27.5, right? Because this is the listed price is 100x and he's selling at 72.5. So discount is how much? 100 minus 72.5, so 27.5. So 27.5 is the answer to this question. So these were the solutions and they were very easy questions. Okay.